Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please like the video as usual. Please like the videos so that I get to make more videos for you guys and share the knowledge. Like this video just to get it in front of other traders. And yeah, if you're looking for indicators, robots and things like that, there are two links in the description box. Yeah, go to the blogs and see if you can find it. If you cannot find it, then obviously you can come back and write a comment on the comments box below and tell me what you'll be looking for, and I'll try my best. I'm not promising, but I'll try my best to find what you'll be looking for. So yeah, there are pages and pages of stuff on those blogs, so if you cannot find it there, then obviously it's not there, then I can find it for you. Usually people ask me for things that are already on the blog, and yeah. Okay, so today it's election day in the US, and I am in this position, which is fairly going well. You can tell by the entry and where my stop loss is. It's actually Euro USD. I was not planning to trade the US election because of the volatility and the widened spreads and things like that. And everyone was cautioning everybody about this election. So yeah, I wasn't exactly planning on trading it. But I've noticed that Euro USD was going up after creating a W formation there. Yeah, this is the 1 hour chart, and I decided let me just get in and see how it will go. But the real movement has not yet happened. We're expecting volatility, I think, around about the time the results start trickling in. At the moment is just small candles, and by the look of things at the moment, everyone is playing a wait and see game. Everyone is just waiting to see. And from this, you can tell that some people are thinking that Joe Biden is going to win, which analysts say will be bad for the US. That's why if you check many USD pairs, the USD is appearing weak. But obviously, a Trump win would send this pair spiking down because the US dollar will gain strength. So, yeah, from the looks of it right now, there is probably some favorable trades towards Joe Biden. Uh, or maybe the big players are out of the market. They are waiting for the real result. So people are just taking the pay up. I also noticed yesterday on gold that gold was moving up. Uh, Lately, I've been milking gold. I've been trading gold. Uh, in one of my videos, I told you that you need to find less than 5 pairs that you can focus on, that you can learn and master them. So gold is one of my few pairs, and lately, yeah, I've been making money off gold. So but yesterday you can tell that the candles were so small and there was a lot of wicks, so every candle was a battle between the bulls and the bears. So yeah, we wait to see who is going to win it, Joe Biden or Donald Trump. For now, the market is saying Joe Biden. That's why you can tell Euro USD is rising. Euro USD is on the rise, or probably the bigger players are currently out of the market and the smaller guys are taking the market up. But we'll see. We'll see. If Joe Biden wins this one, you are going to expect Euro USD to just continue going up. If Trump wins it, obviously the US dollar is going to gain strength. So Euro USD is going to spike down and gold is going to sell massively. And many other pairs will behave round about the same way. So yeah, we wait for the result and we'll see what happens. Personally, am I betting for Joe Biden or Donald Trump? I'm actually torn between the two. Um, at the same time, I want a stronger US economy, and at the same time, I don't like Donald Trump. So yeah, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but yeah. So let's see how it goes. But for now, this is what's happening on Euro USD. I just woke up and just saw this formation, and I just thought, let me take a small lot size and see how it's going to play out. So for now, it has been trickling up. It has been trickling up. We'll see what happens when the results start coming in. Probably then are we going to start seeing the market spiking down, spiking up, and things like that. But yeah, there was a good W formation there. Probably should have entered there, but I was definitely asleep. I only woke up and the market was there and decided, let me just get in. I was not planning to try the US election, but let's see if this formation is going to hold. Yeah, leave a comment in the comments box below. I'd like to hear how you are trading the US election and how you've been making money on the US election, if you've been making money off, or if you've blown your account already, even before the results. Yeah, so leave a comment, like this video. Until next time, bye.